Kia ora. How are you going with the phrases of the week so far this month? They've all been conjunctions. This one has only got one word. I'm still calling it a phrase of the week because it's part of my conjunctions series, my joining words series. And this little phrase means but. But, on the other hand, but. So you can use but in the you can use engari for but in the middle of two bits of English sentences. So perhaps we might be saying, oh, I was invited to the party, engari, I don't really feel like going. So the but is wherever we would say but. In English we can say engari instead and be adding more Māori language to our day. So engari. Let's look at a little bit of, we're putting a break after every vowel. Engari. Engari. So it's to me it's not hard to say, but some people might have a bit of an issue with the enga and might be feeling like they want to say enga, but it's not enga. Can you hear the difference? Engari, engari. So it's not the g part, engari. It's a soft ng down here. Inga, and then the re is a little bit rolled. Engari, engari, engari. I love that word, it's really beautiful. Engari, but. Ka kite.